how to enable or disable the Mail app on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and in here tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on Allow Apps and Features. Then in here tap on Mail. Tap on the Mail toggle button to disable Mail or to enable it. Here I will disable Mail, and you can see that once I disable it, I will not be able to find it from Spotlight. So Mail will not be available, as well as in App Library, you will not be able to find it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.